I can't believe we ate the dead 5 days ago.
You know what movie this is like? This is like that movie.
Yes! Guys, I'm feeling pretty weak right now. I don't know how much longer I can make it.
If we don't get some new food soon, we're not going to have the strength to make it through another night.
Oh my God. Only now at the end do I realize what John Lennon was talking about. Whatever gets you through the night is food. Food is all right. John Lennon was singing about food this whole time.
You're going delirious, man.
Well, guys, you know, we're not completely out of food.
Timmy, no!
There's still one part of those bodies that we haven't eaten.
I saw this coming, man.
Timmy, be quiet.
I mean, there's 18 bodies over there, so that means that there's 18...
Timmy, stop it!
Dicks! We can eat their dicks!
I saw this coming, man.
Timmy, we can't eat dicks. We're not girls.
What's the worst thing that could happen? I mean, Sam ate one, and that was already like 3 days ago, and he seems okay.
I wonder how bad they were. Hey, Sam! Sam! Hey, Sam!
What? Sorry. Just thinking about something. What were you thinking about?
Nothing.
Well, the dick. Just thinking about that dick I ate.
Is that why you're sitting way over there?
No, you guys made me sit over here. Remember? All right. 'Cause you ate that dick. Yeah. Right.
Hey, Sam, just out of curiosity, how was that dick anyways?
What?
Well, I mean, it just tasted like any other part of the body, right?
No. Tasted like... Fuck you.
Well, did it taste bad?
You only saw me eat one of them, right? There's 17 more of them over there. Help yourselves, fellas.
Saw this coming, man.
I'm not eating any dicks.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna give it another night and see how that rescue's coming along.
Hold on! We see you! We're coming to you right now! Hold on, we're almost there! Oh, we finally found you! Oh, God! We're too late!
Yep. Looks like they passed in the night.
Oh,
Starved to death, I'd say.
but why? There's 17 perfectly good dicks right over there! Why didn't they just eat the dicks to survive?
Well, I mean, probably because who would want to, you know?
Oh! Cursed homophobia! Responsible for more needless loss of life! Why? Why in the 21st century can't we get past our petty bigotries and realize that we're all the same? I curse you, homophobia! I curse you!
Sir, we got a problem.
What is it, Dario?
I just realized the snowmobile over there is out of gas, and I think we're stuck here.
Oh, no.
Yeah. And to make things worse, I think I left the sandwiches back in the cab.
Oh, my.
Want me to go ahead and start frying up some of these dicks?
Oh, no. No need to do that just yet. Oh wait, there's something I forgot to do. What?
Or some of these 5 other perfectly whole bodies we have here. I was kind of making a joke about the whole dick thing. Oh, boy.